Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my amazing art family. So today we're going to have, I'm hooked on the loaded palette knives again, so I figured we'd just have a play. I'm just going to try some new palettes and see what effects we get at the end. So kick back, put those feet up, start toe tapping, let's have some fun.
Trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you only told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me. I can't be with you, you can't be true. And I know just what I got to do. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running. Twice, no babe, who do you think I am? Well, I'm gonna take my own road, and I'm sorry, baby, you can't go. Gotta hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gotta hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Well, I know you say you're sorry and that you do. Gonna hit the ground running, baby, I'm running, baby, I'm running, 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 running. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running. Good to see your face. How you doing? Tell me your story. I just wanna have a conversation. I just wanna make a friend or two. I'm not trying to change your mind. All I'm trying to do is be nice. Cause life's already hard enough, and you don't gotta act so tough all the time. Be nice, cause we all gotta deal with stuff, and everybody needs a hug sometimes. Be nice, be nice. We're all sharing this great big world, so let's take care of everybody. I just wanna have a conversation. I just wanna make a friend or two. I'm not trying to change your mind. All I'm trying to do is be nice. Cause life's already hard enough, and you don't gotta act so tough all the time. Be nice, cause we all gotta deal with stuff, and everybody needs a hug sometimes. Be nice, be nice, be nice. through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. You're walking it like you're Goliath, but do you really wanna try it? They tell me that you're 10 feet tall, they tell me you can never fall, but I don't really buy it. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me.
I was born for the war, I was born for the battle, battle. Let the cannons ring and the thunder rattle, rattle. You won't see a white flag lifting over me. When the smoke clears, it's me that you see. I love the fight, I love the fight. I won't back down, I won't give in, 'cause in the end, I love the fight. Take your best shot, another miss from the corner, corner. Gonna give all I got, gonna last through the fire, fire. You won't see a white flag lifting up from me. When the smoke clears, it's me you'll see. I love the fight, I love the fight. I won't back down, I won't give in, 'cause in the end, I love the fight.
Well, alright guys, well, we'll do a close-up of that. I was going to go back in with a skewer, but I don't think I will, because I sort of really kind of like the way this sells, and I like the flow of it, so I'm going to leave it alone. Alright, well, Hope you enjoyed that this week. And next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo of Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So come on over and let's see what they've got to offer us today. As always, thank you for watching, everyone. Take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.